as they are very important from any of the competitive exams point of view. So the first word is SINEDIE, and we pronounce it like Sinedie. We pronounce it like Sinedie. Sinedie means with reference to business or proceedings that have been adjourned. Adjourned here means delayed. कोई ऐसा business या कोई ऐसी meeting थी जो हमने adjourn कर दी है, delay कर दी है आगे के लिए, with no appointment date for the resumption. Like generally हम अपनी meetings को adjourn करते हैं, delay करते हैं, but हम एक specific time दे देते हैं कि आज की meeting has been postponed to tomorrow या day after tomorrow. इधर सिनेडिए किस सिचुएशन में यूज होता है जहां हम एक फिक्स डेट नेक्स्ट अपॉइंटमेंट की नहीं देते हैं. लेट्स से आई वाज हैविंग अ बिजनेस मीटिंग टुडे एंड आई कॉल्ड द पर्सन अप एंड सेड कि आई एम ट्राइंग टू पोस्टपोन द मीटिंग इफ इट्स फीजिबल फॉर यू. पोस्टपोन के लिए एक वर्ड मुझे याद आ गया. देयर इज अ वर्ड प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट. लिख लीजिए आप सब लोग. प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट मीन्स पोस्टपोन. So let's again revise the example. I was having a meeting today and then I called the person up and I said I am trying to procrastinate the meeting if it's feasible for you. Sine die. I'm not saying for tomorrow or day after tomorrow. I'm just saying I'm trying to procrastinate the meeting. Sine die. कि अभी नहीं बता रही हूँ कि कब तक के लिए पोस्टपोन कर रही हूँ. मैं जब भी नेक्स्ट अपॉइंटमेंट का मेरे पास टाइम होगा I'll call you up. So I'm procrastinating the meeting. Sine die. The next word is seventh word is PRIMAFACIE, and we pronounce it like prima facie. We pronounce it like prima facie. Prima facie means based on first impressions, yeah, accepted as correct until proved otherwise. जब तक उसका कोई और contrary सबूत नहीं मिलता तब तक उसको सच मानना इज कॉल्ड प्राइमा फेशी. या इसके लिए हम एक तरीके से और भी यूज करते हैं फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन. फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन या फर्स्ट साइट. जैसे एक लड़की को देखा, देखते ही फर्स्ट साइट में उससे प्यार हो गया. सो आई फेल इन लव विद हर प्राइमा फेशी. फर्स्ट साइट. या एक और एग्जाम्पल देख सकते हैं. The police has discovered some prima facie evidences from the culprit's house. Culprit के घर से prima facie evidences मिले हैं. It means all those evidences will be considered true until they are proved contrary. Until they are proved otherwise. So prima facie evidences. Next word is PANCHANT. I repeat, PANCHANT, and we pronounce it like Penchant. Penchant. इसको penchant नहीं बोलेंगे. We pronounce it like penchant. Penchant means a strong liking for something. Fondness. किसी के लिए आपको बहुत ज़्यादा liking है. जैसे इसी के एग्जाम्पल से हम थोड़ा सा कनेक्ट करते हैं कि राम saw a girl and fell in love with her prima facie and has developed a strong penchant for her now. अब बहुत strong liking develop कर लिया उसने. penchant. We can take one more example for it, like we can say he has a penchant for adopting stray dogs. He has a strong liking for adopting stray dogs. Penchant. Next word is COIFFEUR, and we pronounce it like coiffeur. I repeat it once again. Coiffeur. Coiffeur. Coiffeur means male hairdresser, especially for women. बाल काटने के लिए जो मेल हेयर ड्रेसर होते हैं, स्पेशली फीमेल हेयर कट के लिए, all those are called coiffeur. Like for example, I can say I have a personal coiffeur, personal hairdresser. Next is COUTURIERE, and we pronounce it like couturier. We pronounce it like couturier. Couturier means a person or a business that designs dress for women, जिसे हम ड्रेस डिजाइनर भी कह सकते हैं बेसिकली. सो जो हेयर ड्रेसर था वो कौन था? coiffeur. एंड जो ड्रेस डिजाइनर है वो कौन है? couturier. Couturier, somebody who designs dresses for women. Next is ALMAMATER, and we pronounce it like alma mater. Alma mater means the school, college or the university from which one graduates, जिसे हम pass out होते हैं. It's alma mater. a school, college, university from which one graduates or pass. And इसके लिए हम एक example दे सकते हैं, जैसे मैं कहूँ these days I've started working, I've started teaching at my alma mater. जिस स्कूल से पढ़ी उसी में ही आजकल I've started teaching, alma mater. So this is how we can learn all these words and can use them in our day-to-day conversation. Also they are very important from any of the entrance examinations point of view. Let's revise them once again. First was sine die. Sine die means कोई चीज़ को हमने डिले कर दिया but without giving any proper timing to the delay to the person. Next is prima facie. Prima facie means based on first impression, your first sight. Next is penchant. Penchant means a strong liking for something. Next was coiffeur. Coiffeur. Coiffeur means male hairdresser. Next was couturier. Couturier means dress designer. Next was alma mater. Alma mater means the school, college or the university from which we graduate. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure teaching you all, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the video. Keep learning. Thank you so much.